Welcome to a quick and clear guide on enabling confirm before archiving in Gmail. If you've ever accidentally archived an email, you know how frustrating it can be. This simple setting keeps your inbox tidy while preventing those accidental moves. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. From here, you'll see the main inbox and message list. To access the options, look at the top left corner and tap the menu icon. The three horizontal lines sit in that corner. This opens a side panel with all your Gmail features. Next, scroll down until you spot settings and tap it. Settings control a lot of Gmail's behavior, so you're in the right place to customize how you manage messages. After opening settings, tap on General Settings. This section contains a variety of general preferences that apply across your account on the device. Now, look for Scroll to Action Confirmations. It's the option that determines whether Gmail asked for a confirmation before performing certain actions, like archiving. When you find it, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Confirm Before Archiving. Turn this toggle on. By enabling this, Gmail will pause before archiving, giving you a moment to review whether you really want to move a message out of your inbox. With Confirm Before Archiving activated, try archiving a message to test the setting. Gmail should prompt you to confirm your action, ensuring you don't accidentally remove emails from view. This small step can save you time and keep important messages accessible for a bit longer, especially if you're sorting through a busy inbox. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same general settings and toggle Confirm Before Archiving off. The process is quick and you'll regain the previous behavior without any hassles. To recap, open Gmail, access menu settings. General settings, find action confirmations, and switch on Confirm Before Archiving. This tiny adjustment delivers a big win by adding a safety net before you archive.